Hi guys, welcome to Modsters Automotive. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of What's Happening at our garage. So we will be seeing our Swift, the Innova, and the Laura. What happened to these cars over the past week? So we'll start with the goodies we have got for our Swift project. So these are aftermarket headlamps. We wanted a completely smoke type headlamps. The similar concept with the tail lamps as well. We wanted a full smoke tail lamps. Got an aftermarket LED tail lamps for this project. So on the Skoda, we saw some poorly painted, bonnet panel, and these issues have been are being sorted now. We are sanding it and doing that putty work. So this is the exhaust tips which we have got for the diffuser. We are just setting it, and now the other dents and scratches have been sorted. You would remember a big damage on the rear door panel next to and the quarter panel, so that has been sorted now. Next we'll go for the primer job. So this is one of our tar projects which has been going for a long time. We had to source Dynapro MT tires. We lifted the vehicle and we did safari type soft curb for this car. We also did the front and back bumpers. It took a lot of time to come and finally they have arrived. We got a tar for an hardtop project last week. So we start off by off the soft top and all the support structures. So this is a time lapse of the same. So generally takes half a day to remove all these and the seats as well, so we can fit the hardtop. We are welding the HKS tips onto the original muffler of the car. So one side it's going to be a functional one and the other side it's going to be remaining a dummy. So it's more like to give a quad pipe effect, which generally is very popular with people who customize their cars. We're doing a final bit of finishing work on the hardtop. The mold burrs and defects have been corrected with paste. Once this is done, it can be mounted onto the Jeep. Tinkering job is completed and we have welded both the exhaust. Looks very nice, and that blue smoke tips add a nice bit of contrast and a detail to this white color car. So we are expecting the end results to be really nice. So now we are doing the sanding work on our Swift. So last week we had completed the primer job on this car. So it's edging ever so close to paint now. Once this is done, we'll be doing the spot putty and then the paint job. So after a long discussion with the customer, he had sent this image as the reference for the paint job. So generally he wanted a black or a carbon fiber finish bonnet and yellow for the car. Selecting this yellow, we wanted something really bright, a non-metallic color, because a metallic color yellow tends more to go closer to a goldish shade. We wanted a very bright yellow. So we have selected a yellow from Suzuki itself, which is called the Champion Yellow, and we will be sampling it and probably most likely confirm this for the paint for the Swift. Laura, we have completed the primer job and the sanding has also been done, the wet sanding, and we will be doing the paint job tomorrow. So The final spot putty work is being going on. Hush. Sigh of relief after mounting this top. So you can actually see how well the top is constructed. So this is a dual side molded top with a foam in between. Okay, so it is like very rigid, and plus it gives you an amazing soundproofing and AC cooling inside. Laura is finally painted. We are very happy with the paint results. It's come out really well. Since the older paint was not in a great condition and most of the panels were repainted, it was very difficult to match the color. This we can explain in the next shot. See, if you see, after cleaning with this thing, degreaser, that is the original color of the car, and this is how it has got dull over the years. So we have to do a complete polish to get an overall even color shade for the car. The wheels also, we got it painted in black. The wheels and tires were separated, removed separately, and then it was painted and refit. So it has come out really well because the initial grey color wasn't very contrasting to the white, and it was in matte finish also. Always look dirty. We feel that a glossy black will look far more better on this car and for the concept as well. This is the exhaust war between our Swift and the CLA. So both these cars, the exhaust was custom made by us, a complete SS system. We are really happy about both the cars' results, and any day the Swift sounded better. Let us know which one you like better. So we went for this year's Palar challenge. We did not go as competitors, but we went to watch the events. It was so much fun. So this will be a complete time lapse of what all we could shoot there. It was so much fun, and an off-roading is a completely different experience. So here, if you see, we were deflating our tires. So it had to be deflated by 5 psi on all wheels, so it could be taken onto the sandy terrain. So I'll leave you here, and you can watch and enjoy the rest of the footage. Thank you. We'll also be posting a full fledged video on the Palar experience from where we started, how we went, all the details as a complete separate YouTube video. So please subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon to see it first. Thank you.